Friends, good morning all. Today I am here with the topic syllogisms. Okay, four types of statements we have in syllogs. Okay, first one is universal affirmative. That is universal positive. Means the sentence which will start the statement which will start with all is universal. So we will call if anything which will start with all is universal statement. Okay, all A's are B's here we have. So for this we will make a Venn diagram like this. All A's are B's. This is only the diagram that we can show. It is a general diagram. Okay, we have four possibilities, other possibility diagram, but this is the general diagram which will indicate all A's are B's. Okay, we can indicate other possibilities, which is one circle with A and B, all A's are B's we can say. Okay, and next one is it is universal negative. Okay, all A's are not B's. So here the sentence is starting with all, so we can say universal negative. All A's are not B's. So we will indicate the basic diagram like this: A and B's which are not at all A's which are not at all B's. So wherever we draw A, that part is not at all connected with B. This is called this is called universal negative. Means wherever you see not, that is a negative statement. Not is a negative statement. So and all we are seeing in the statement, so universal negative. These two are the basic diagram for universal positive, and this is universal negative. Okay, and next one is particular affirmative. Means particular means only some part. Okay, so only we are specifically saying that only some part, but what is that some we don't know, but we can say it is some. Okay, so affirmative. So what do you mean by affirmative? It's a positive. Particular affirmative, particular positive. Okay, some A's are B's. He is saying that some A's are B's. Okay, here we have a basic diagram for some A's are B's. Okay, here you see A and B, right? So here we are saying that this is the basic diagram for indicating for some A's or B's. Okay, we can draw possibilities. We have many more possibilities for this, but wherever we see the some A's or B's in the statement part, possibilities will not draw. We will make assumption. If we will draw all possibilities, then it will take lot of time for us. So better what we'll do, we will do only this part. Okay, only some A's or B's we will take. Okay, I'll tell you the next one. And fourth one is particular negative. We'll see. Particular means some part which is negative. So negative means we will see compulsory not statement, negative statement, like no A is B, some B is A, some A are not B. Wherever we see negative one, so that is a negative statement we will say. Okay, and some A's are not B's. Here we have the sentence. Okay, statement. Some A's are not B's also. I'll draw like this a basic diagram. Okay, some A's which are not B's we can say like this, and we even will draw like here itself B, and this part we can say as a the part which is not B is this one. Okay, here we will draw B. Even you can draw that. I'll draw this. Okay, some A's or not B's. This is particular negative, and we'll see the next one. And see, I am saying you here universal affirmative and particular affirmative. If you see the statements with universal affirmative, particular affirmative, what are the possibilities that you can draw as a conclusions? Possibility conclusions I'll tell you, and also the compulsory definite conclusions also I'll tell you. If you see the statement of universal affirmative like all A's are B's. Okay, this is the basic diagram that you have to draw, and in conclusions, if you see this definite statements, then you can say it's a correct one. Okay, if not, then if not other, if you see apart from these two, you will if it is a definite statement apart from these two, then you will simply say it's a wrong one. Okay, it is not following the statement. Okay, so I'll tell you here. See, all A's are B's. Here we have, okay, all A's are B's, and this is about the basic diagram. And two definite statements we will get in universal affirmative sentence. Okay, what is that? Two. What are those two definite conclusions? We'll see. Some A's are B's is a definite conclusion that we can say from this, and some B's are A's also a definite conclusion. Okay, if you see these two in the conclusion, then we can say both are follows. Okay, some A's are B's. See, some A's are B's because A is included in B. Some A's anyways it is B, and B are A. Some B are A's. Obviously this part of B are A's. So we can say some B's are A's also. It's a definite conclusion. It's not possibility. Okay. Next we'll see. And here you see possibility. Some B's are not A's is a possibility. What do you mean by some A's are not B's is a possibility? Some B's are not A's. Here you see the part which is out of the box B, out of the box A is B. So that directly saying that some part of B is not A is a possibility. Yes, it is a possibility. So the statement, the conclusion is follows as because it has been given as a possibility. Okay, so we can say it is following because it's a possibility. And B's are not A's is a possibility. Yes, some B's are yes, correct only. B's are not A's is a possibility. Yes, it is there. So these two statements also follows as a possibility. So if you see universal affirmative sentence, all A's are B's, all fruits are some nuts, like that, then two definite sentence we can say as a correct, and two possibility sentences we can say as a follows. Okay, these four sentences you need to remember. Okay, it may be confusing, but if you practice so many problems on this, then easily you can say yes, it is easy. Okay, and particular affirmative, some A's are B's. Okay, and here you see some A's are B's. I have drawn the basic diagram. Only basic diagram we have to draw. Even sometimes without basic diagrams also you can say the answer. Okay, that is the reason why I am saying all this. Okay, in preliminary exams you will have only 1 hour time. 5 questions you will get from this, and that too with the if you by heart this table, if you exactly by heart this table, then by seeing the statement itself, conclusions we can say whether it is following or not. Okay, but the thing is you should have enough practice before you attempt your examination. That is only the thing that you have to do. Okay, and here you see some A or B's we have. So only one definite conclusion we can draw from this. Some B's or A's is only the definite conclusions from particular affirmative. Some A's or B's means some B's are obviously A's. We can say it's a definite one. Next, all our possibilities we have. What are the possibilities that we have from this? I'll say. See here, all A's or B's is a possibility. Yes, there is no negative connection between A and B, so I can make a move of A into B. That is, all A's or B's is a possibility. I can say because there is no negative there is no negative connection between A and B. So here it is given it's a particular affirmative, so I can say this I can move this into this. So there is a possibility, there is no objection between A and B to like a negative statement we don't have, so I can move all A part into B part and all B part into A part. So there is a possibility of saying that. So what I can say, yes, this conclusion is a possibility, so it will follow. All A's are B's is a possibility, it's correct. All B's are A's is a possibility, it's correct. We can move this B into A. And apart from this, some A's are not B's is a possibility, yes. Some A's which are not B's is a possibility, yes, it is possible, because only this part of A is B, so rest of the part of A is not B. So we can say yes, it is a possibility. And similarly, B which is not A is also a possibility. So some B's are not A's is also a possibility, I can say. Okay, here you see some B which is not A is a possible thing. So I can say all these are possibilities that I can draw from a particular affirmative sentence. Okay. And see here, universal negative and particular negative. Okay, these two, if you get these two statements, then what are the definite conclusions we can draw, what are the possibility conclusions we can draw, I'll let you know now. Okay, all A's are not B's. So what we can say, the basic diagram I've told you, this is the basic diagram I can draw. Definite conclusion, what is the definite conclusions I can draw from this? All A's are not B's. Okay, and definite conclusions I can say three definite conclusions. All B's are not A's, I can say. All B's are not A's, I can say. And also some A's are not B's also I can say. Some B's are not A also I can say. There is no possibility conclusion because there is no chance of making these two together, because all A's not at all in touch with B. So I can't say that, because I can't move this A to B and B to A, because there is obstruction between A and B. So I can say simply all B's are not A's. Some A's are not B's. Yes, some A's are not B's. All A's are not B's. And some B's are not A. These are the definite conclusions that we can draw from the statements. Okay. So this is universal negative. So only definite conclusions we have, that too 3 definite conclusions we can draw from all universal negative. Only 3 definite, no possibilities. Okay. Next one. Next one, particular negative. Some A's are not B's. Here you see the basic diagram. Some A's are not B's. So yes, we have the basic diagram like this. Some A's which are not B's, or here we have, okay, only one definite conclusion we can draw, that is, sorry, there is no definite conclusion we can draw from this. Okay, all our possibilities we have approximately many possibilities, I'll tell you now. Okay, some A's are B's is a possibility. Yes, here you see some A's are B's is a possibility. Yes, it is possible. Some B's are A's is a possibility. Yes, some B's are A's is a possibility. And the same way, some B's are not A's. Yes, some B's are not A's is a possibility. Some A's are not B is a possibility. Yes, these 4 possibilities we can draw. And the next one is the most important one, I'll tell you now. And next one is all B is equal to A is a possibility. Means all B is equals to A is a possibility. What he said, universe, a particular negative statement, some A's are not B's. So obviously here also it is some A's are not B's, which is a possibility. This part of A which is not B is a possibility. So here we can say all B is equals to A is a possibility. It's a correct one. So most of the times this is the one which will make us confusion. So better you remember this point, because only because of this, like this point, we will make mistakes sometimes even. So this is the important one, you remember. And next one is all A is not equal to B is a possibility. all A is not equal to B is a possibility, obviously it is possible, and all B is not equal to A is a possibility. Okay, these are the possibility statement that we have to remember. Here you see I have some examples. Okay, some red are cows, all cows are yellow, all yellow are rabbits. If in given statement we should draw always basic diagram, we should start with all statements and then some statement. After that negative statements we will draw. Okay, so here you draw for first all cows are yellow, so all cows are yellow, here we have drawn, and then all yellow are rabbits, all yellow are rabbits I have drawn, and then all cows are red are cows, so some red are cows also I have drawn. Okay, see the basic diagram that I have drawn like this. All C are Y, all Y are red rabbits, and some C are red. Okay, this is the basic diagram that I will draw. After that I will not see my statements. Okay, and conclusions, and how to answer the conclusions from the basic diagram I will let you know now. And see here, all C are rabbits, all C are rabbits. Where is rabbit part? Here we have the rabbit and here we have cows. So C part is in the rabbit part, completely in the rabbit part. He is also saying the same. Is all C are in the rabbit part? Yes, it is correct. So it's correct. Some yellow or red. Ende? I'm sorry. Some yellow or red. Some yellow. Here it is the yellow part and here it is the red part. Yes, yellow part is touching with red part, so directly we can say yes, it's correct. All are definite conclusions which is following directly from the basic diagram. Some red are rabbits. Yes, red is in touch with rabbit, so we can say some red are rabbit. So all here every statement is following the basic diagram. So we can say the conclusion that all are follows. And the next problem is all cars are bikes, some bikes are ships, all ships are planes. Okay, see I have told you, like, start with all statement. All cars are bikes, some bikes are ships, and all ships are planes. So this is how we will draw the basic diagram. Basic diagram we should draw. We should not draw any possibility. If you go on draw possibilities, it will take almost all the time. So only draw basic diagram. Okay. So all cars are bikes, some bikes are ships, all ships are planes. Okay. Now I'll tell you the conclusions. Okay. So at least some planes are bikes. At least some is equals to some. So least some, at least some, all are equal to some. So we should read at least some as some only. Okay, we will consider it as some. So at least some is equals to some. So here you see the some planes are bikes. Is bikes is in touch with plane? Yes, it is. This is the plane part and this is the bike part. Yes, these two are in touch. So I can say it's correct. Some bikes are cars, some bikes are cars. Yes, some here we have cars and here it is bikes, so we can say it's correct. All planes are cars is a possibility. All planes are cars is a possibility. Yes, it is possible. There is no objection, negative statement between plane and car. So it is possible. All planes can be moved to cars. There is no objection between these two, so I can move this planes to cars. So, and he is also given as a possibility. It's not a definite statement. If it is definite statement, I can say wrong, but it's a possible he has given, so it's correct. So I can say again, it is all are following, all are correct. And next one is some cameras are laptops, some laptops are planes, some planes are tablets, some phones are tablets. Okay, so what is the basic diagram that I can draw? Some cameras are laptops, some laptops are phones, some phones are tablets. Okay, I have drawn the basic diagram, right? And what are the conclusions? At least some tablets are cameras. Cameras here we have, and tablets here we have. What is he saying? Some cameras are tablets. Possibility, if he has given, if you a possibility, then I can say it's correct. But he is directly saying cameras are in touch with tablets. No, it's not correct. Wrong, I can say. There is a possibility that all tablets are laptops. Yes, possibility statement. All lap all tablets can be moved to laptops. So it's correct. I can say no tablet is a laptop. What he is saying here, we can say yes, if it is direct statement, yes, laptop tablet we don't have any connection, so directly he is saying it's correct, because no statement, it is not in touch with laptop, so it is correct. But here it is possibility, we are saying right, but it's a definite statement, we are saying wrong. Because so what I can say, once I am saying correct, once I am saying wrong, once I am saying this correct and this is also correct. At a time both cannot be correct, because see, if it is a possibility, then I can say yes, it's a correct. If it is a direct statement, definite statement, I can say even with the direct statement I can say correct. But at a time both cannot be correct, because negative statement cannot be correct at a time, possibility statement also cannot be correct at a time. If it is correct, then it is wrong. If it is correct, then it is wrong. So what I can say, because even the subject and the predicate both are same here, tablet laptop, tablet laptop. If possibility is correct, then this one is wrong. If this is correct, so this is wrong. At a time both cannot be correct. So what I am drawing from this, individually both should be correct, but if you combine any one should be correct, then at that case, and the provided subject and predicate both should be the same, then we can go for either or statement, either or case. So here we have gone with the either or statement. So if it is a possibility is correct, then definite statement is wrong. If in case is this definite statement is correct, then possibility will become wrong. Individually both should be correct. If you combine both, any one should follows the statement, then at that time, provided predicate and subject should be the same, then we can say either 2 or 3 follows. At a time both will not follow. If 2 follows, 3 does not follow, 3 follows, 2 does not follow. So this case we will write either 2 or 3. Okay, hope you understand this better. Please, if you have any questions, queries, doubts regarding my this procedure of explanation, please let me know in comment section, and please do subscribe my channel even. Thank you all. Bye.